today. Salawat and salam may always be upon to our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. And we would also like to express our gratitude to our spec lecturer from Prama Kirani PhD, and to all of you, thanks for coming today. Before we start our discussion today, let us introduce ourselves. For the first one is me. As you can see, I'm as moderator. My name is Mutiara Sasmita Lumila, and beside me,
hello, my name is Putri Humaira.
Hi.
Hello everyone, I'm Queen as a second presenter.
Hi.
Halo, saya Salwa Samsmila.
Hi, I'm Nadia Rizal Panasian as documentation. Okay, together with them, today I'm going to present an application called English Grammar Test. This app is designed to help learners improve their grammar skill. To know more about this application, we'll present by our first speaker, Putri Humaira. Time is yours.
Thank you so much for moderator who has given me the great invitation. And now let's take a look at what this magical app actually offers. This app is designed to help users learn English in a clear, structured, and enjoyable way. First, the app gives you clear explanation for each grammar topic. You know that moment when you read grammar rules and it feels like ancient code? Well, this app explains them in a simple way. So your brain doesn't give up halfway. Second, it provides step-by-step learning. You don't jump straight from I don't know anything to present perfect continuous advanced level. The app guides you slowly, one step at a time, kind of like a friendly teacher who actually has passion. And finally, it offers a lot of practice exercise so you can strengthen your understanding. It's like going to the gym, but for grammar, except you don't sweat, only your brain does. And next, now let me introduce the main feature of our application. In main feature, there are basic grammar, English tenses, and advanced short grammar, commonly confused English words. So for the first is feature basic grammar, where users can learn part of speech, sentence structure, and basic grammar rules such as article, pronouns, and adjective. This section explains them in a simple way and build a strong foundation for beginners. The second feature is English tenses. Here the app explains all tense in 12, provides simple formulas and examples, and it also gives short exercise to help user practice and understand how each tense is used in real situation. And next we have advanced grammar. This feature covers more complex topics such as complex sentence, conditional, relative clause, and passive voice. It's very useful for learners who want to improve their academic or professional English skills. Finally, the app covers commonly confused English words. This section explains the difference between English words like there and they are, affect and effect, and advice and advice. It's helped users avoid common mistakes and become more confident in writing and speaking. With this four main feature, our application provides a complete and user-friendly way to improve English skills at any level. And next, and now let's look at what this magical app can do. The English Grammar Test app gives you more than 600 activities per level, so now you will not run out of exercise even if you study all night. And it also covers all the grammar topics we sometimes forget, like tenses, preposition, and confusing words, and that's very advanced structure. And guess what? There are over 5,000 practice questions, so basically this app gives you enough grammar practice so you can strengthen your understanding to last a lifetime. And the last this app doesn't want you to get bored, so it gives you different question type. You will get fill in the blank where you pretend to be a detective looking for missing word, and then multiple choice where you pray the answer is A, but sometimes it surprises you, and then matching exercise which feels like playing a small grammar dating game, pairing the right words together. And okay, I think enough for me. I hope you can understand what we have learned just now. I'm so sorry if my explanation was very hasty. I beg to moderator.
Okay, give applause to Ira. Thank you, Ira, for a great information about this app. And now we would like to present the more information about this app. Will present by the second presenter is Queen Latifah. Queen Latifah, please welcome.
Thank you to moderator for giving me a chance and opportunity to explain our next material. So the next material is study anytime and anywhere. The points on the slide emphasizes the flexibility and accessibility the application offers to users. Now you can see at the side there are 3 points and I will explain to you one by one. The first point is offline mode available. This is a crucial feature that allows students and users to practice and study about English grammar, and it will help you to keep confidence and give you a deeper understanding. And the second point is use the app anytime, like at home, at campus, in this classroom, or on the go. The application fits easily into your daily life or daily activity and allows learning without time or location limitation. And the last point is learn comfortable. Repeat until you understand. So in this app, you can repeat the material and reviewing the exercises until you fully understand, until you really understand about grammar, and it will help you to keep confidence too. Next slide. Next slide is who should use this app. The first one is students preparing for English exams. So this application will help students to preparing for exam with exercises and reviewing the material. And the second one is English learners at any level. So this application has many levels and suitable for all levels like basic level and advanced grammar level. And the third one is teachers needing extra practice material. Not just students, teachers also can use this application and practice additional as materials for students outside the classroom. And the last one is anyone who wants to improve grammar confidently. So anyone who wants to improve grammar confidently, you can use this application, and you can use this application to communicate with confidently. Next slide. Why choose English grammar test? We have some reasons, and the first reason is easy to use. Why is it easy to use? Because this application is so practice, user friendly, and you can learning without the crushing, and you can learning with easy and comfortable. The second reason is complete and structured. The materials are well organized, and you can cover all important grammar things. The third reason is suitable for beginners to advanced learners. As you know, there are many levels such as basic level, advanced level, even hard level. And the fourth reason is great for self-study or exam preparation. This application supports the independent learning and the exam preparation. And the last reason is only 334 KB. This application is very lightweight, so it can save your storage and you can download it quickly. Next slide. So this slide explains about Do you know what is past simple tense? Past simple tense, simple past tense. Do you know what is past simple tense? Past simple tense, simple past tense. Okay, so simple past tense is used to talk about action that happened in the past and already finished. This slide also we have example about Mozart. I will read it. Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart was an Austrian musician and composer. He lived from 1756 to 1791. He studied composing at the age of and wrote more than 600 pieces of music. He was only 35 years old when he died. So the first slide, he studied, wrote, and worked, was, and died are used because his life was happened in the past. And then the slide also shows the two types of verbs, like regular verbs and irregular verbs. Regular verbs means which the ends with ed. For example, like I worked, decided, invited, stopped, and so on. And the other one is irregular verb, which change their form. For example, like write becomes what, see becomes sound, go becomes when, and so on. That's all from me. Is it clear for you? Yes. Thank you to your attention. And I'm back to
This concludes So that's all from explanation from our group. We would like to open the Q&A section. If you have any question, feel free to ask. Anyone? Yes? Siva?
Is the application
Can you please repeat?
Is the application good for beginners? Okay, I will answer Siva's question. Yes, of course, it's possible to use for beginners because the app is not only, for example, like this. We choose basic grammar and there are the introduction. Then in introduction, there's the explanation of, for example, simple tense. There's the explanation of simple tense. The beginners can read first, and then there are exercise of this application. For example, like this, the simple exercise is, for example, Tina gave me a book. That one is the simple, right?
So the application only give us
What do you mean?
aplikasi cuma ngasih pertanyaan exercise.
No.
Also materi.
Yes.
Thank you, Ira.
Okay, please.
Is this application give us explanation after we answer the question?
Can you repeat that?
Is this application give us the explanation after we answer the question? For example, if the answer is wrong or false, there's the explanation or not. If the answer is right, there's the explanation, and if the answer is wrong, there's the explanation.
Yes, Sarah. What problem might students have while using this application?
I think as my experience, we didn't get the problem because it's possible to use offline mode, so the users can use it without internet.
Anyone? Anyone? Nothing? Okay. Now we are entering the most awaited part of our section, presentation. To make learning grammar more fun and interactive, we have prepared a short activity for you. Give our group to prepare the game. Okay guys, so this activity will help you review the grammar material we have just explained in fun way. So get ready, stay focused, and let's enjoy the game. To Game Master, please welcome.
Yay! I'm Salwa.
Hi Salwa.
I will guide you from the start of this game until it's over. Okay, now we're going to play a quick game. So please open your browser and go to playbrocket.com. only 5 players with the highest scores will advance to the next stage. Okay, before we start the game, once everyone is in, here's how the game works. Your goal is to collect as much gold as possible. Each correct answer will give you a certain amount of gold, and some choices may let you double it, steal from other players, or even swap your gold. Okay, we will select the top players who will move on to the elimination round. The player with the highest amount of gold will be our winner and will receive a reward from us. Okay, and aku start dulu. Jadi ngerti? Nah, jadi kalau misalnya Cindy menang, Sita menang. Nanti yang menang itu pokoknya yang jawabannya benar dapat 3 peti, dan 3 peti itu kita pilih. Pokoknya kita pilih lah mana yang kita mau, karena di dalamnya itu ada zong, ada emas, ada pokoknya 2 ini benar, 1 ini zong. Jadi kalau misalnya salah, poin kalian direbut lawannya. Ya. Ya, coba ya. Pokoknya yang kalau benar jawabnya pasti dapat peti. Setelah itu Juli gue terus. Oke, guys. Okay, we start the game right now. Okay. And this one. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Players from Roma, please come forward and take a seat in the middle, guys. Yang benar, selamat maju ke depan.
Easy and easy.
Ikan lagi, mah. Di sini kita seleksi lagi ya. Oh iya, Kak. Iya.
Oh iya kak.
Apa mau?
Tiba-tiba banget.
Okay, listen guys. This is round 2, the elimination round. So only 5 players will compete to determine first, second, and third place. So look at on the screen, guys. Please choose the correct answer on your mobile phone, and then continue the next question until the end.
Sama gimana sih mama?
Gimana sih?
It's still the same but it's more difficult.
Okay. Tapi jangan sama kayak tadi.
Gimana sih? Kita terang kita. Oh, ikut yang baru lagi. Login lah. Nah, login. Game ID-nya berapa? Berapa game ID-nya?
And some of you guys, please come forward. And oh my God, please come forward, guys.
Give applause for the winner. Kenapa nggak 1, 2, 3 langsung?
Oh iya.
Satu, dua, tiga. Oh, orang ini kok nggak dikasih?
Oh iya, kan bertiga dulu.
Sekarang aja.
Oh ya udah, kali ya, lu habis sekali semua.
Wah, yang juara kau apa sih? Enggak yang 3 dulu biar habis itu baru semuanya. Iya loh, jadi kayak kita ngomong. Satu ya, 1, 2, 3.
Ayo semangat kalian.
Masa? 1, 2, 3. Dah. Please back to your Okay guys, for those who have not please don't be discouraged. This is part of learning process, and the prize are simply small tokens of appreciation and memories from us. How do you feel after listening to today's presentation? Are you happy?
Yeah!
Let's clap together. At the end, don't only use grammar test today. Improve your grammar, build confidence, and level up your English. That's all from our team. Thank you for your attention.